morning, adventurers. It's Eddie Mean here. We're on a train, but not just any train. We're on the train to the airport. Yeah! Do you know where we're going? I'll give you a hint. It's not on the main island of Japan. It's not on Shikoku or Kyushu or Hokkaido. That's right. We're going to Okinawa. Yeah! But first we have to ride to the airport. Let's go. Alright, party people, we have arrived at Chibu Kokusai Kukou, also known as Chibu International Airport, or Sencher, which is what we call it. We are at the train terminal, just outside of the airport terminal. I have never flown domestic, so we'll see what happens. Let's go. Alright, party people, I'm inside the domestic terminal. Hello. It's kind of hard to see on the GoPro, but the ocean is out there. And there's an airplane over there taxiing. Way over there, you can see that bright pink. That's my airplane. But I have not had breakfast yet because I was running. So this is from the Chowder's Cafe in the domestic terminal, right outside between gates 8 and 9. And this is the French toast breakfast set with the drink, and it's 900 yen. So you got a piece of French toast, which they microwaved. It is what it is. Little cup of syrup, some butter. I got me some water and my fork and stuff. French toast. Breakfast. So this is what $10 will, well, $8.50 will get you for breakfast at Sencher Airport. Here we go. Make a great YouTube video. There's a port down there. Oh god, my ears. Alright, here we go. My least favorite part of all flying. Landing. This is a short runway too, so like, made me nervous. Wonder where you go on Okinawa if there's a tsunami warning. Oh hey, there's like a torii thing on that island. Here we go. 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 I really don't like landing. Taking off, flying, no problem. Don't like landing. Oh god. Here we go. Here we go. And we made it. I'm off the plane. Yay! I can't get my bag. Oh, my shoulders. There we go. As the person behind me just so adroitly stated, it is very hot. So now, I'm disembarking the airplane. Okay, let's keep going. All right. It's so quiet and nice. It is 1 o'clock. Look, there's a fish tank. It's called the Gate Aquarium. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at this one. He's a big fishy. Wow. Well, there's only one thing to do. Go outside. Alright everybody. Whew. I am at the Okinawa airport. I am waiting on my bus. But first, this is Isa Spam Musubi. So we're going to, there's like a fancy shop, but the line was like 8,000 people long. So I'm going to eat these. It suggests warming it, but like it's 8,000 degrees in Okinawa, so I'm not going to. So, Ooh, spam and egg and tartar sauce and rice. Yummy. Yummy. My grandma and her family were stationed on Hawaii, and I've talked a lot about spam rice sandwich things. Not a fan. Alright, party people. We are once again on a bus. I got on the bus. This is bus number 120. 120. And according to the Google Maps thingy, I'm supposed to rent this for approximately 1 hour. It's like being in Florida. Look at all the palm trees. This is the airport. It's not very interesting. I'll be back. Look! Look! That's an A&W. There's an A&W over there.
That's so sweet.
Wait, I want to get off the bus and go to the A&W and have a root beer float. Wait. Right, suckers. Finally off the bus. It only took an hour and 25 minutes more than it was supposed to. Ugh. Apparently everybody is coming to American Village for the Halloween party. Look, it's a big ass truck! I wish I had smell-o-vision. Salty ocean air. It smells amazing. So I am walking down to try to find my hotel. It says it's around here somewhere. And the ocean is just right there, just on the other side of those trees. So I'll be back when I get to the hotel. There is a car behind me, please don't run me over. Alright, so I have checked in. I am on the 10th floor. I am in room 1004. I have a very swanky key. Gonna open her up, maybe. Alright, so when you first walk in, you have this nice little gangpong with these stones. Nice, nice. So first thing you're going to want to do is insert your room key to get the lights and stuff on. This is a common feature in almost all Japanese hotels. You have to insert the card in order for the lights to be on. So you got this nice mirror here, first thing, with a little catch-all. Yeah. All right. Got a little complimentary bottle of water. Up here, we've got one door that doesn't open, which makes sense because of the light. Got your safe. I love the cabinetry in here, yo. You got a power outlet down here. All right, let's see what we got. We've got a hot water kettle. Oh, we got a little mini fridge, which is on and running. Nice. Got, looks like some cups, some cafe sugar things. We got some coffee mugs. Ooh. 1, 2. Nice little water cup here. Okay, it's pretty nice. So I thought this startled me at first. I thought this was tatami, but it's not. It is actually a vinyl floor sticker. But I'm gonna take my shoes off anyways because that's what you're supposed to do. Over here, ow! These rocks are not comfortable to be barefoot in. Over here we've got some slippers, a lot of storage space. What do we got up here? Up here, more storage space. Cool, cool. I'm gonna take my purse off now because it weighs a ton. First door we get to, what do we got in here? Oh, got a nice little toilet closet. Good, good. This is lovely. Like, I love this. Got a full-size mirror. Wow. So your closet is not enclosed. It's an open, free hanging closet. We've got some bathrobes. Looks like more storage up here. Yeah, wow. There's a lot of storage in this little room. All right, over here, we've got, so here is our bath. So come in, you've got your sink, hair dryer stuff, your thermostat for your water, because in Japan you can control how hot your water is. This is a big shower. It has, it has reusable, let's see, which one? There we go. It has reusable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And it's just your typical shower. Japanese shower, that is. Looks like it's got like a filter thing. Cool, cool. All right, we're gonna leave there. Come back out. That's the entryway there. So what else we've got? Ooh, we've got, look, electrical outlets with USB. Nice. Awesome. Got some nice little benches here where you could sit and eat at this little thing. Clock. Wow, a clock. It's been a hot minute since I've seen one of those. Now we've got to step up here into this beautiful little sitting area. We've got some traditional Japanese floor chairs. And oh man, look at this. Got a double bed, full bed, I think. Nice. Towels. Look at the amenities we've got. Let's see, we've got dental kit. We've got a vanity kit, a comb, a hairbrush, hairband, and a shaving kit. Awesome. We've got towels and a cute little origami crane. Got a nice TV, nice size TV. Like, this is a 40-inch TV. I don't know, I've been in Japan, so everything seems bigger. Nice TV over here, but this is what I paid the extra money for. So like, you could stay here for like 30 bucks a night, but I wanted this view. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. So we've got some chairs out here. And then, dun, 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 the creme de la creme a la Edgar. Look at this view. So this is Chatan, Kitatani, as I kept calling it earlier until I heard someone say it. Then it wasn't Kitatani. So the only thing is that, so right down here in front, we're not completely beachfront, but we are sunset adjacent. There is a really nice beach over there. I think it's called Araha, or I don't know. Some of the Okinawan words are a little bit different to pronounce. And then over there, if you look, that is American Village, where we are probably going to spend tonight. But yeah, This is lovely. The only thing is that there is no housekeeping service at all. So if I want my sheets changed or stuff like that, I'm gonna have to do that myself. But yeah, oh man, this is a holy shite. I like this a lot. I love, it's just so nice. It looks so nice. It looks so high end. So good. So as you can tell, I have shed my outer layer and I'm just in shorts and my button up and my shades and my mask for shopping. Boy, it's hot here. You would think it were a tropical island. Wow. All right, so this is the rooftop. Got some seating around here. The idea of being able to look into a military installation is really weird because like Fort Gordon is hidden deep in the woods of Georgia. So if you look over there, you can see American Village. It's probably where we're gonna go get into trouble tonight. So today's the last day you can use the pool, but like the ocean's right there, so there's some nice deck chairs. 1, 2, 4 deck chairs. Little ottoman over there. What is that? Regular police cars. Okay.